Hello my billionaire family, welcome back and happy new month. Today's tutorial will be on this very hard gele. The gele is very strong, as in very hard. The texture of the gele is, I've like watched this gele about 2 or 3 times now, still yet the gele is still strong. I don't know the name of the gele, but I'm going to find out. If you want to know the name of this material, you can just let me know at the comment section. But the gele is hard, guys. So I want to use it to achieve round pleated gele for you guys to see how you are going to go about it. In case you come across any hard gele, you will know the system you can use. So just look at the way I'm doing it. It's very easy, simple way. It's just like normal way how to tie our gele, but this one you just have to be patient and go easy on the gele, or else you will not achieve what you want. So just look at what I'm doing now. Look at that. Look at how I'm bringing it out. So after doing that, I will now go back and start creating pleats. I will start creating my pleats. The joining of the gele is straight line, guys. It's straight line. So I really do not like this gele. I don't know what people like in this gele. The gele, we use it for like Owambe parties, for someone's wedding. So just look at the way I'm doing it. Your baby Joshua is here, as usual, is eating and is greeting you guys happy new month. So just look at the way I'm going about it. So sorry, I'm not showing you guys the other side, and I thought is recording it too. Sorry about that, guys. So look at the way I'm pushing it up like that. Just be patient too when tying it. Just look at that. Sorry, this my rubber hand is covering you. So still adjusting it. So adjusting it like so. Tell your model, I will not be tying it at the back. I will be twisting it like that. Just look at the way I'm twisting it. After that, I will just put it there. Then use office pen to pin it down. I hope you guys understand the video. If you want to see more of technique on how to tie round gele, and if you want to see a DIY of me tying round gele, and just let me know at the comment section below. Alright. So that is it, guys. So sorry, my hand is covering you. This horrible hand is covering you. Sorry, guys. So that is it. I'm just adjusting it like that. Sorry, my hand is covering you guys. So sorry about that. Sorry, yeah. Wow, I did not really know my hand is really covering it like that. So sorry about that. So love you guys. Bye.